reverse transcriptase PCR. Reverse transcriptase PCR is based on the process of reverse transcription. In case of reverse transcription, the RNA is converted into cDNA. The process how reverse transcriptase PCR is performed, that is, the first step of reverse transcriptase PCR is the production of the first strand during the reaction. So as a first step during the RT-PCR, there is a synthesis of the cDNA by using the oligo-DT primers. Usually this step, that is synthesis of cDNA, is at 37 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. Once by using the oligo-DT, there is synthesis of cDNA, then there is the second strand reaction, that is the digestion of the cDNA. So as a result of second strand reaction, which is actually the standard PCR by using the DNA oligo primers. So reverse transcriptase PCR is actually the conversion of RNA into cDNA. When we have to convert RNA into cDNA and later on we have to amplify the cDNA, this variant of the PCR is called as a reverse transcriptase PCR. Here we can see that how reverse transcriptase PCR is performed. Here is RNA, which is in red color, and this is the primer. Primer will bind to the RNA here, and as a result cDNA is produced. This is RNA and this is complementary strand. Once cDNA is produced, then there is amplification of the DNA. So this strand, this is the newly produced strand that is complementary to the messenger RNA sequence. So this is amplified product. So in case of reverse transcriptase PCR, RNA is converted into cDNA during the first step, and during the second step the cDNA is amplified by the conventional method of the polymerase chain reaction. Enzyme reverse transcriptase is used to convert the RNA into the cDNA. RT-PCR is widely used in expression analysis or in expression profiling. It is also used to study the expression of the genes. RT-DNA, RT-PCR is also used to identify the sequence of the RNA, and it is also used for certain amplification of certain pathogen, where the pathogens, they are RNA viruses.